Just before we do that, I do just want to mention that advertisers who use sponsored brands video ad format saw on average 83% of their sales from new to brand customers. So that is a really great metric to consider. And if you are still unsure about video, let's go into it and you can get a better understanding of how this can help. So with this, let's just say that you've recently launched a new product. You've created a sponsored products campaign to promote the product, and that campaign has helped to improve your product impressions, your click-through rate, and even some sales. However, you're slightly under your target for conversions. So this can happen, and in fact, with our example, Organique, they recently experienced this after launching a new hair mask. So the campaign ran for 3 weeks. It was able to generate high impressions, but orders and sales were slightly below their goal. So what they decided to do was build out their a combination strategy of sponsored products and sponsored brands to include a sponsored brands video. So they chose to test new creatives using video just so that shoppers could visualize the hair mask in use, and they wanted to show really how the mask lathers and what hair can look like after using the product, just so shoppers can picture their results. So Organic also chose to include customer testimonials that could speak to how their product has made a difference. And by adding the sponsored brands video campaign to their strategy, it was able to help with their hair mask stand out, drove conversions, and improved their return on ad spend. So this is something that you can do too, and video is an effective way to help audiences understand your product and brand with more engaging content. You can also quickly explain the benefits and create memorable content that captures your audience's attention. So really you can just identify a single product that you'd like to feature, create a video that's 15 to 30 seconds in length, and you can use videos that are 60 to 45 seconds. We do find 15 to 30 seconds is optimal. We would also recommend a prominent placement throughout the video alongside simple visual elements and easy to read on screen text. And while videos must contain audio, they should also make sense without the audio playing. So in case a customer's online and they don't have their audio on, readable images, readable text, just so they can still understand the purpose of the campaign. I can see someone's commented that they lack skills in video but want to do it. I believe we do have some resources. I'll try and find that for you on kind of optimization for video creation. So I will take a look to see if I can find that for you. What we're going to do now is just go back into this. So it's exactly the same as before. So let's say for this one instead, we're doing it as SB video hair mask. But it's exactly the same when you create a campaign, except of selecting product collection, we have video. And then we have whether we want it to be on store on Amazon or product detail page. I want to send shoppers to my product detail page, so I'm going to keep it on this box. And I'll also choose one product as opposed to 3 or more. So just like with the question before where you only have one product, here you can do that. So we can just have one product to show. So let's go for a hair mask. So here, I mean, these aren't organics, but I will just select this one as our product as an example. And then once we've selected our products here, I'm going to go down. So for this one, I am going to use keyword targeting. I want to focus on category targeting, and I also want to use broad match just to maximize the coverage of category level audiences. And I'll also use competing keywords and brand keywords just to improve the shopping intent and conversion. So here you can see I can add hair masks, so I'm going to add that as broad. Hair protein treatment, these are great. Korean hair mask, hair mask for damaged hair, hair treatment, all really popular keywords to add. And if I have certain competitors that I'd like to input, I can also add their names as well as a keyword. Just another good tip with video, run video when some keywords make a sale, do another video ad only with this keyword, and after some time add new selling keywords. Oh, sorry. Run video when some keywords make a sale, do another video ad only with this keyword, and after some time add new selling keywords. Okay, so is that something that you found has worked? And if so, yeah, if it's working for you, and if that's really great to share that tip, so thank you. So essentially what Sebastian's saying is, that when you run a video, and when you find that certain keywords are making sales, do another video ad with that keyword, and then after some time you can add other selling keywords. And I think that's what's really great about this format is you really can adjust your targeting. You can pull certain keywords. You can, that you've that are working well. And yeah, just play and see A/B test, see what works and what doesn't. Same as before, you can add negative keywords as well. And then when we get down to the ad, so here we can have organic hair masks as our ad name. As you can see, this is the video instead of product collection before. So here we just need our product and our video. So I need to add a video. And I have mine ready to go. You will need it ready to go beforehand. There isn't a video builder in this format. And once again, you can adjust where it will be seen as well. So if you want the desktop view instead. And this is how it will view. So you'll have your video and, oh, I didn't mean to click on that. But yeah,